Hi, day 16. Today is about having a laugh. Laughter strengthens the mental health. Can you laugh just by thinking about laughing? I actually, I love laughing, and I get a sense of relief when I laugh. So try to find things to laugh about. Read good jokes. Be with friends. See friends on the internet, or cat videos actually do the trick, don't they? Cats just messing up makes me laugh. Maybe you don't like cats. Maybe it's dogs or something else. Make someone tickle you. So laughter is the day of the 16th day. Look, I'm just messing up. Pretty fun, right? So have fun and laugh. That is the way of strengthening the mental health for today. How much laughter can you get in your day? Feel free to write in the comments and share ways of how you laugh or get to laugh. I would love to see it, and for everyone else to actually get something out of this. Maybe they can use your way of laughing. So let's share how we laugh. Take care, stay safe, and laugh.